Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to manage all your events and create new events as well. So basically what you want to do is come right here to view events or click on new event. But for right now, we'll just go right here. And as you can see right here, you can see a list of all your events that are coming up. So basically it'll show the client name, the event name, the event date and address and all that cool stuff. So if you want to create like a brand new event, what you want to do is click on new event right here. And then you want to type in the info right here. In fact, let me go ahead and pause it. Okay, so once you type in the event name right here and then put in the event address, what you want to do is select the event type. So whenever you create like a brand new account, all this will be empty right here. So what you want to do is add in your own categories right here by clicking on this. And you can literally type in whatever event category you want. And then for right now, I was going to select birthday. And then right here is for the lead source. And again, this will be empty as well. So what you want to do is click right here and then type in the lead source right here. But for now, I'll select website. And then for right here, you can select, you can either type in the event date, or you can click on this icon right here. And I guess I'll click on this and select the 15th. And then same thing right here, you can click on the icon or type it in. But I guess for now, I'll just go and type it in real quick. So 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, and then you click on create event. So if you have an existing customer, you just go right here and click on this. But for right now, let's go ahead and type this in. Okay, so once you're done typing it in, what you want to do is click on add. And then it'll bring you right here to the event overview page. So as you remember, here is where we typed in the event name. So the event name will show up right here along with the event address. And right here's the event overview page where you can see all the customers' info right here and the event info as well. But you know what? Let me bring you over here so I can explain the rest. So let me take right here. So again, right here's the event overview page. We have the customer info, the event info right here. And of course, if you want to change it, you can just change whatever you want and click on the save button. But right here's for the payments right here. So as you can see here, well, you know what? Let me come right here. So on the files tab, you can see all the files that you have sent to the customer. So I already sent the questionnaire. And so right here, you can see the questionnaire template. And whenever the customer answers the questions, it'll show up like right here underneath, right here as well. And then right here, I had sent the invoice. Well, basically, this event is like a fake event, but for example purposes, I sent the invoice to myself, and then this is how the invoice will look. So as you can see, I sent the invoice to myself, and also, I also paid myself as well. So it shows status right here for paid, just like that. And then right here is for the contract. So whenever you click on contract, you can see the contract that you written out. And then right here is where I signed it. And right here is where the customer signed it, or the fake customer, or whatever. And then, so I already sent the files to the customer, or to myself. And so right here is the payments tab. So right here, it'll show like the payment status. Like whenever you send an invoice or proposal, that has an invoice inside of it. So as you can see here, I sent the invoice to myself and I made a payment to myself. So it's showing paid right here. And then up here it's showing upcoming payments. So the cool thing about it, whenever, let's say they missed a payment, it'll show missed payment right here and it'll be in red right here as well. So this comes in handy because that way you don't have to worry about trying to remember who paid you or how much they owe you, or stuff like that. And this right here is the event products tab. And this is something I actually created based on my own experience. Because one time I actually did a bounce house rental, and I showed up with the wrong product. And of course, the customer's all pissed off and all that stuff. So I actually decided to create this feature just because of that, pretty much. So basically what you want to do is, for this tab, well, first of all, keep in mind, you're going to have this created first. First, you got to create your products and package templates right here. And then once you do that, then you bring it in red over here by clicking on this and then selecting products. And then you'll be able to see a list of all the product templates right here. So I guess I'll go and select memory book. And then right here, I'm going to select packages. And then, so you can see that right here, I'm going to select this one. So what you want to do is select packages and then select this one right here. So the cool thing about it, so once you do this, now you don't have to worry about trying to remember which products to bring or any of that stuff, right? So just that alone will help you out a lot, or it would help me out a lot for sure. So and then right here's for send customer. This is basically what you use right here to send files to the customer, like the like the questionnaire, invoice, contract, proposal, whatever. So let me go ahead and click on send customer, and then right here is where you can see all the categories for all the templates, like right here, for these right here pretty much. So and then right here you could go by categories as well. But so if you want to click on proposals, contracts, invoice, questionnaires, or whatever. But for now I'm going to select proposal because I sent the other files. So you click on that right there, and then right here, that's where you can see all the files just by clicking down on here. So, but basically what you want to do is click on share, and then right here you want to select one of your email templates that we created earlier. Remember we created all these little email templates? So basically what you want to do is select one of these right here. So I'm going to click proposal template or proposal email template, and then all you got to do right here is click on send. And then once you're done doing that, then you come right here and let me show right here. So basically, it'll combine the invoice. Well, you know what? I don't think I had an invoice in that proposal, but if I did, it'll show up right here as well under this tab. And then right here, once you send the proposal, it'll show up right here under this files tab right here. So that way you don't have to worry about forgetting which files you sent to the customer. So I think I have a contract in this proposal. So what's cool about it is you can sign it right here by clicking right here, and then right here is where you type in your name, and then select this right here, click sign, and that's it. I was able to sign it as well. And then once the customer signs it, it'll show up right here as well. So if you scroll down, you can see the rest of the files that was inside this proposal. But yeah, that's pretty much all of it. That's pretty much how you keep track of all your events. Everything's done right here, pretty much. And of course, if you want to delete something, you just go to the little trash icon, and you click on that and click delete. And then if you want, you want to create a new event, you can also do it over here as well, and it'll work the same way as it did right here. But yeah, that's pretty much all of it. That's pretty much all you gotta do to manage your events, which is pretty easy to do.